Hi, my name is Joanna, and today I'm posting likely to speak with you a little about Pure Nature prior to actually purchasing this product. I likewise have some actually crucial cautions to maintain your health and wellness, so pay really close attention to what I have to say in this video. The first thing you must understand about Pure Nature is that it's only sold on the main website. You cannot get it anywhere else. So be truly careful and also ensure you buy the initial product from the official site, because, unfortunately, a lot of individuals have actually been selling this product on non-official websites, and purchasing this product on non-official websites, what the individual actually receives is not the original item, as well as by not being the original item. It can damage their health and wellness, and then they believe that the product does not work, and also every little thing when it really does. So be really cautious with that, and also to help you people out, I left the link to the official website down below in the summary of this video clip, so make sure to examine that. Desire to view this video. So, you might be questioning what is Pure Nature and also if it actually functions, and also the response is true, folks, Pure Nature works. And also, after many research laboratory tests, researchers determined that there is a natural formula in Pure Nature, with 20 concentrated high-quality components. The formula is planned to help increase immunity, boost power levels, and also improve general health. Dairy products. Couple of Americans is eating the suggested quantities of vegetables and fruits every day. Just 1 in 10 are meeting the suggested 5 servings of produce consumption per day. Study reveals that eating a diet rich in vegetables and fruits can help reduce the threat of lots of persistent diseases, consisting of diabetes issues, heart problems, excessive weight, and some cancer cells. Entire nutritional supplements, like Pure Nature, are made from dehydrated fruits and vegetables and are made to provide individuals with a bowl with the nutrients found in fruit and vegetables that might be not in their diet regimen. Remember that this product is totally secure to use, and it's processed under rigorous, sterilized, and precise standards. Likewise, Pure Nature capsules are non-GMO, as well as they are not behavior forming. Pure Nature has actually been checked as well as accepted by hundreds of individuals from all over the globe, and no person grumbled concerning negative effects. So, if you're battling with low resistance as well as low power levels in the body, all you need to do is to take 4 very easy to swallow capsules a day, and you'll begin to boost resistance, increase energy levels, and improve health and wellness. So, yes, individuals, you can absolutely trust this item. There are many people available having fantastic outcomes with Pure Nature, and you can likewise get these outcomes. However, you need to bear in mind that each body can react in a one-of-a-kind method, so be practical regarding your treatment, and also assumptions. In addition to that, there's something really crucial and intriguing concerning this product that you need to recognize before you buy it, and it's that you can really check Pure Nature out for 90 days, and also if you do not see results or if you do not like it for any type of factor, they'll give you your money back, so it's totally safe likewise for Pure Nature to function. You require to take the treatment seriously. You're gonna begin to see the first results in the very first month, but lots of people can notice much better results after 3 months of using this item. One more important thing for you to understand is that Pure Nature has absolutely no negative effects, since its active ingredients are 100% natural, and also, most significantly, you do not need to worry due to the fact that it's suggested for individuals of every age. So absolutely any person can take Pure Nature, and bear in mind that it's accepted by the FDA and made in a GMP accredited facility. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be mindful of the rule with the internet site that you're going to purchase Pure Nature from it. Likewise, if you do get the product, do the precise therapy and take it seriously for it to actually work. Keep in mind that your outcomes will be extremely different from any other individual, due to the fact that your organism functions in a really special way. However, I truly advise that you do the treatment for at least 3 months to get far better outcomes. I actually hope this video has actually aided you people. Also, if you have any inquiries, you can leave them in a comment listed below, as well as I'll rejoice to assist. You remember, if you wish to buy Pure Nature with a unique discount rate, as I said, I'll be leaving the official website web link listed below in the description of the video. Best of luck with your therapy. Hope you individuals have an excellent day. Bye.